Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and giving yourself room to work. Loosen or remove strings so you can flip the guitar and access the jack plate. This prevents damage and improves visibility. Once done, remove screws and lift the jack plate carefully. Check whether the jack is a chassis-mounted 1/4 inch or soldered to a PCB. This matters because the repair method and how you hold the part will change. Make sure to inspect wiring for obvious breaks before touching the iron. You now verify which conductor is failing by probing tip, ring, and sleeve while wiggling the jack. This locates intermittent faults. Then heat each solder joint, apply desolder braid to cleanly remove old solder, and trim frayed wire. Once neat, tin wires and pads lightly. The why is reliability. Clean solder prevents cold joints. Make secure mechanical wraps if possible, then solder quickly but thoroughly. Allow joints to cool, and cut any excess wire to avoid shorts. You finish by reinstalling the jack plate and restoring strings or tuning to functional tension. Once assembled, power up amp at low volume and plug in while wiggling the plug to confirm stable signal. This proves the fix under real conditions. If you still hear crackle or dropouts, reopen and reflow suspect joints or replace the jack entirely. Sometimes the switch inside the jack fails. One troubleshooting tip. If noise persists only with certain cables, test with a different, known good cable first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.